pasalamatan ng lahat ng bumubuo ng pelikula nito, lahat ng naghirap, simula po sa mga producers namin, GMA Films, Regal Entertainment, of course, and of course, I want to thank ABS also for allowing us to do this project. And to Direct Joel Lamangan, Direct, paulit-ulit po namin sinasabi, you are a blessing to this project. Thank you so much. At napaganda po natin ang gusto yung pelikula. Sa lahat ng cast, we made it, guys. And of course, sa lahat ng supporters namin, panurin ulit bukas.
Yes!
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you.
Napapaliw na ako. Sa lahat po na nandito ngayong gabi, unahin ko po yung pamilya ko po, yung mga kuneta, yung mga kontraksyon, yung mga panghinan, yung mga soto, yung mga Gutierrez po na sobrang babait po sa akin. Thank you so much for everything, all the moral support na binibigay niyo sa amin habang ginagawa itong pelikula na to. Sobrang dami po talagang pinagdaanan ng dalawang movies namin ni Chard. Sobrang hindi ko alam kung kailan mangyayari ulit na makakagawa kami ng pelikula together. Sana
Soon!
Mga Coffee Birds and
Soon!
and yung supporters namin mangyari ulit. Hindi po ako makapaniwala na pangalawang pelikula ko na po ito. Siyempre, kini Chard, nakailang pelikula na siya. Pero this is really something very meaningful for me. To my mom who's out of town, Mama, this movie is for you. And dahil po rated G itong pelikula namin, makakatanood po yung mga bata. To my dad, who's here right now, I love you so much. I didn't expect. I love you so very much, and this movie is also for you. Mita, to my lola, who is the reason kung bakit ko pinasok ang pelikula. Dahil alam mo kung magiging proud siya dahil siya yung pinaka-first na audience ko sa buong buhay ko. Nandito. 5 o'clock pa lang, nandito na po siya. But most of all, to my ABS-CBN family, everyone at taga-ADFAP na nandito, and to all my wonderful friends, to my GMA family na rin, to everyone na care of me. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity to work with both networks. Tita Malu, Tita Charo Santos, Tita Annette Gosson, Tita Joya Bacan, Mother Lily, thank you so much. God, thank you for choreographing this whole thing. Wala, sobrang emotional ko na ngayon. Hindi ko na alam kung anong sinasabi ko. Chard, thank you. Thank you. Leading man ko po sa buong buhay ko si Chard. Papasalamat din ako na for these 2 projects na nalagahan ko ako niyo.
Let's enjoy the movie. I'm very excited. Mom, Dad, thank you for being here, always being there for me. Mom, to my family, friends, thank you. At sa lahat ng tao nandito ngayon, thank you so much to all of you.
1,